Okay, let us see an illustration on logic gates. Let us say a circuit is given like this. Okay, this is A, this is B. A, B, C are signals and they are passing through. A, B is passing through this gate and the uh, A and B combined, it is passing through this gate. So these two become one here, and for this one, this is the second signal. So finally you'll get the output here. Okay. So this is given. So let us do different cases in this and see what is the output in each case. So which type of gate is this? You can see the curvature here. First we need to identify the gates properly. This gate is OR gate, and always see whether there is a circle or not. If there is a circle, this line is straight, so this is a NAND gate. Okay. In the case of a NAND gate, always see what is the output AND is giving and just reverse it. Same is the case with NOR also. If you come across NOR, see what is the output OR is giving and just reverse it. It's a simple way to understand, So let us say initially this is 0 and this is 0 and this is 0 signal. Alright. So if this is 0, both are 0, it's an OR gate. Okay. To get one of them has to be high, both are low. So you get here 0. This is already 0, so it will be 0 here. So this is a NAND gate, you have identified that. 0 and 0. For an AND gate, it will give 0 as the output if it had been an AND gate. But because this is a NAND gate, it will give 1. See, it is pure logical, okay? It is pure logical. Alright. Let us take some other situation. Let us say I put here 1, 0 and I put here 1. Now see, 1 or 0 it is. You have to read 1 or 0. So this will become 1 because one of them is high, so the output will be high. One of them is high, so output will be high. So this is already this is already 1, so this will be 1. So 1 and 1 will give you 1, but NAND will reverse that, it will become 0. Okay. Alright. So let us make this 0, 1 and 0. So 0, 1, one of these two will give you 1. It is 0, so this is 0. So 1 and 0 in an AND gate will give you, AND gate it will give you 0. Okay. In AND both have to be high to get a high signal, because one of them is low, you got the low signal. Because you are using a NAND gate, so 0 will be converted into 1. So let us see one more. Okay, this is how I have given it. Let us say the input signals here is 1, 0, 1 and 0, and we need to find out what is the output here. So we need to first identify the gates. This line is straight and there is a circle here, so this is basically AND, but it has become now NAND. There is no circle here, it is curvature, so it is a OR gate. Line is straight, curvature, it is a AND gate. Just write the names over there so that you don't get confused. Do not do in your mind. Okay. So this is a NAND gate. See, 1 and 0. In an AND gate, what will be the output? The output will be 0. But because this is a NAND gate, so this will be 1. 1, 0. It's an OR gate. So you need to pick the highest 1. Okay. So AND gate, 1 and 1. It will give you output as 1. Okay. Like this you have to do. Let us do some other inputs. We put here 0, 0, 1, 1. Now let us see. 0, 0. It's an AND gate. So AND gate will give you 0. But because this is a NAND gate, it will give you 1. 1, 1. It's an OR gate. It will give you 1 as the output. So 1 and 1, AND gate will return as 1 the output.